My most sincere hope is that people come away with a deeper understanding of yoga as a spiritual system for self-realization. This workshop will have some practice periods, but it's going to be quite light on the postures, the asana. It's going to be more focused on the aspects of yogic practice that aren't typically the emphasis of a yoga program. So we're going to do a little bit more of the philosophical study. We're going to do a little bit more of the meditation style practice, and there will be some movement and breath work as well. But I wouldn't come expecting a 5-hour yoga workshop in the sense that people are used to these days. If people have mats, it certainly can't hurt to bring them. Also, if they have meditation cushions, those would be beneficial. You can do the whole program from a chair, and if you don't want to get up and down from the ground, you can, we'll be able to modify everything to be able to do from a chair. But definitely comfortable clothes. We're going to be doing some movement, so you won't want anything formal or restrictive. Definitely feel free to be casual and comfortable for our workshop. My most sincere hope is that people come away with a deeper understanding of yoga as a spiritual system for self-realization. The practices of yoga can be a lattice or a framework or a technology that's used in Christian mysticism and contemplative prayer that brings one closer to God. I really want people to come knowing that the point is to give them a survey of what yoga is as a spiritual technology. It's going to be fairly introductory, but it's also going to be fairly comprehensive. And it's really an offering to create some shared understanding, to satisfy some curiosity, and hopefully also greatly enrich practices that people are already doing by giving them a deeper understanding of what they are, how they work, why they're part of a broader spiritual technology, and how to integrate them into their lives. So that's kind of the overall purpose of the retreat. The life of a yogin is a rich inner experience that is built out of a structured life. And yoga gives us the scaffold and the technology to guide us into our inner world in a way that allows us to experience union with the divine. And through union with the divine, we come into self-realization, we experience self-actualization, and we are liberated from the pain and the suffering of this earthly existence. So when we're talking about yoga as a spiritual tradition, we are talking about the whole system of a spiritual life that enables that self-realization.